Sweet Guluva's talent is getting people attention, Sizwe Dhlomo, if you know Sizwe Dhlomo, you know Sizwe Dhlomo, right? From radio, from TV, all over. He's currently working on the radio with Sol Pinduga. Anyway, I saw this tweet last night and I was like, you know what? This is real, and it seems like Sizwe Dhlomo sees a talent from this guy. He sees this guy's talent, which is Sweet Guluva's talent, and people like Sizwe Dhlomo, if they acknowledge you, like, come on man, you're gonna go far. And now we saw this skit by his peer. He was doing a skit with Sweet Guluva, and he released it today, which is Monday. So he's doing good, and I'm so glad to see our winner, catching here and there, and seeing him acting there. It's so crazy, man. It's insane, man. I really like it, and I really enjoy it. I can see people that also enjoy it. They kind of see his talent, Obviously, some of us who have been following him, we know that he's so talented when it comes to acting. So I'm so glad to see him doing this. And yeah, man, I'm gonna leave you right now and enjoy all the content like that I did for you guys. Anyway, I'm sorry for that. But yeah, man, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Boom.
Isikhathi u-16:57 okusho ukuthi sekusele u3 minutes kushaya u5. Ake sizwe nansi ingoma yesingisi ethi Take Me Lokhu Uzayo.